Let's learn with Vibrant. What is this? Learn with fun. So many birds. Sky full of colorful birds. Look at the sky full of colorful birds. I know they are my friends. If you want to meet, come with me. Okay? Now I see you all birds with you. Okay? Now do you see all the birds and also say the name. Okay. Smooth round head and rounded wings. Who it is? What's the name of this bird, Viprant? Do you know the name of this bird? Ravi? What's the name? Which one? What's the name? Sparrow. What's the name? Sparrow. Okay, this is sparrow. Okay, smooth and round head and rounded wings. Black in color and super smart. Who it is?
Crow.
Yes, crow. Crow is a black in color and super smart. Okay, you know about the story of crow and stone? Trusty crow. Okay, so smartness is shown in that story. Okay, the trusty crow, black in color and super smart, totally black in color. Okay, and next one is famous for cuckoo call. Who it is? Cuckoo. Who say cuckoo? What's the name of this bird? Cuckoo. Cuckoo say coo. Coo. What say cuckoo? Coo. Famous for cuckoo call. Just say coo. Very sweet voice. Okay. Next one is starling. You know about the manna? Make noisy sound. Okay, it's not so sweet. Noisy sound. This is manna. Dark brown in color. This is manna. But the name is starling also. Okay? In English we call starling. Manna. Yes. Now next bird is. You know the name of this bird? SWAN. Highly intelligent and sharp vision. Highly intelligent. Okay? And very beautiful. Very white in color, white like a snow. Okay? No black color, only white. Not even a single dot. Beautiful. Yes, totally white. Okay? Now the next bird is pelican. Pelican, a long beak and pelican, a long beak and large throat. What's used for catching prey? Pelican, long beak and large throat. What's used for catching prey? Okay, fish is here. If it want to eat it, it takes it. Pick up it and eat it. Okay, and place also in the throat. Because throat is like a pouch, just like pocket. And who it is? Tell me the name. Excellent mail carrier. It is. What's the name of this bird? You tell me who it is? Pigeon. Pigeon. What's the name of this bird? Pigeon. Excellent mail carrier है. Okay. What happened? Okay. Excellent mail carrier. Next one, this is pigeon. Okay, this is nightingale. Which bird it is? Nightingale. Okay, its voice is so sweet. Okay, what the color of nightingale is like a brown color. Okay, dark brown gray. This is nightingale. Okay, very sweet voice. It's famous for its sweet voice. Okay, very sweet voice. Peacock. Okay, what is the national bird of India? It is famous for its beautiful dance also. Okay, it's the national bird of India. Yeah, this is the national bird of India. Look, what a beautiful. Look. Okay, so what is this? Next one is dove. What the name of this bird? Dove. It's like a pigeon, but it is in white in color. Okay. What the color of dove? White. What the color of dove?
White.
White. Okay. This bird? Owl. What the name of this bird? Owl. Good in hearing, and owl are always awake and active when the sun is down. Okay? Now, what the name of this bird? Toucan. Toucan. ठीक है? Toucan are not the good at flying. ठीक है? And spend most of their time to hopping along in the tree. This bird is not one branch to another branch of tree. Okay? On the one branch to another branch of tree.
कोई बांध देता है?
No, इसको बांध. No one can do this. Okay, what is this? Hummingbird. Very smallest living bird. Okay, beak is very long. Its beak is very long. Yes, it's fly. Okay, but it's famous for because its size is so small. Okay, and in green in color.
Green color.
Green in color. It's also an insect. Okay. So next one is, look at this one. What is this? Woodpecker. Strong bills. This is bills. Okay. Strong bills for drilling and drumming on the tree and long sticky tongues. Okay. Bill has a strong bill for drilling and dumping on tree. Okay. And long sticky tongues, just like a frog. Sticky tongue. So it catch its prey with its tongue. Okay. So tell me the next bird name. What the name of this bird?
Eagle.
Eagle is the most powerful bird. Okay. It is most powerful bird. So it is also known as the king of bird. Yes, it's fly. Okay. Fly very high, very high.
ये सबको कहा जाती है?
हाँ, small bird.
बेबी को कहा जाती
It's
है?
able to eat a small birds and what the name of this bird?
Peacock.
No, it is not peacock. It has to.
Peacock.
No. It is pink in color. What is the name of this bird?
Flamingo.
Flamingo. Now, mostly pink bird with long leg. Okay. What is leg is very long. Okay. Flamingo leg is very long. Most pink in color and leg is long. This is what the name of this one? Parrot. Mimicking the human spaces. Just like when you say mittu, the parrot also say mittu. Okay, so it's copy, just like a copy the human language. Parrot say mittu. What the name of this bird? Praveen, you know about the bird or not? What the name of this bird? This is. You tell me. Prans, what the name of this bird?
Duck.
Yes, duck. It is duck. What duck special characteristics of duck is duck clean themselves. Okay, just like you, me. Large bird with loud honking calls. Okay, they always in groups. Move in a group. This is goose. The name of this bird is goose. हाँ goose देखे थे. Okay, Pravi, this is ostrich. This bird is ostrich. Ostrich, fastest running bird. Fastest running bird, but it doesn't fly. Okay, Because its wing is not proper, just like not a long wing to flew. Okay, and the body is also very heavy. That's why it's the fastest running bird in the world. Okay, Pavi? If you like its information, like and subscribe.